Hi, welcome back to my session. I am Shaiju, Dean Akbar Academy, Patambi. Today's session I am going to tell about IATA. The full form of IATA is International Air Transport Association. The headquarters of IATA is situated in Montreal, Canada. IATA having regional office all around the world. IATA is the organization and association for the scheduled airlines in the world. The mission of IATA is to lead, represent and serve for the airline industry. IATA provide courses in various ways such as classroom study, accredited training school, authorized training center and virtual classroom. Of these options, the best and cheapest way of doing IATA course is authorized training center. Most of the students in the world are doing IATA course through authorized training center. IATA having authorized training center all over the world. Akbar is one of the famous authorized training center of IATA. And we always occupies the top 10 aviation academy in the world. It's a standard set by IATA. It is called Premier Circle. IATA provide the various types of courses, and the famous courses of IATA are IATA Airport Operation, IATA Passenger Ground Service, IATA Consultant in Travel and Tourism, IATA Foundation in Travel and Tourism, IATA Air Cargo Introductory Course, IATA Airline Customer Service, then IATA Supply Chain and Transport Mode, IATA Dangerous Goods Regulation. So that's all about today's session. I hope that you understand about IATA. So thank you for watching my session. Bye for now.